Hey everyone, this is going to show you how to access a modified assignment or a modified quiz in Canvas. Now, just like always, when you were starting a module, you're always going to click on the agenda first. Your agenda will give you a list of things for that week. This is just a practice page, so it's just some random text. I would click Mark as Done, and then I would go to the next screen. Now, if I know my teacher has sent me a message saying I need to take the modified quiz, and I see this practice quiz is not for me. So like if I go back home and I go into lesson modules and it says we're in the week of August 31st, and I see, okay, I clicked on my agenda and there's a practice quiz and practice quiz M. M means modified. That's the quiz that I need to take. However, because of the way the modules work, it's automatically going to show me the regular practice quiz first before I can click on the practice quiz M. So what I would do is I would click take the quiz for the regular one, but I would submit it blank. I would click submit quiz. It's going to say you have unanswered questions. Click OK. And then you can click Next. And then you'll be able to access the practice quiz M. So if I go back to that module, now when I look, practice quiz M is no longer grayed out. This is the quiz I need to take because M stands for modified. So I would click take the quiz, and this is the quiz that I actually need to do. I would do the same thing for any sort of assignment. If there's an assignment and an assignment M, I would submit the one that doesn't have the M and then take the one that says M next to the name. And then submit the quiz.